In this session, we'll look at how to use PV Plus to add structured annotations in sections on the PDF page. First, starting ParaView, we can load some data, in this case a section plane that's got some contour colors representing pressure. Position that in 3D. We can change the default color map, just pick one of the standard favorites here. Pick one that isn't default, and then we can go down to the bottom of the color map menu and we can change the number of discrete layers to 24 rather than a continuous level, and we have a reasonable scene that we can position, set the legend, and create a small visualization. Now going to PDF3D settings panel, we can reset everything, apply those changes, close, and then export a new PDF. And we'll get the same content that we've just created in ParaView now represented in a straightforward PDF page. The legend's on the right, but we have some areas on the top and bottom of the legend that we could use to add additional annotations. The layout here is all relative to the page, so 0 to 1 range means that we can position our small annotation areas in a 0.1 or 10% of the page size. Now we can go back to the PDF3D settings and first go to the Sections menu and define some named sections that we can later populate. So first, let's position these on the page relative to the page size. So this is 80% to the left, a 10% width, and 80% up from the bottom. That means 20% down from the top, and again a 10% height as a small box. We'll name this Above as a simple name, and as soon as we click Add, we see all of those parameters populated in our annotation section list. Then we can add a second one called Below, and again we just position that so it's down at the bottom of the page rather than the top. Now, switching over to the Annotations menu, we can use these sections. So let's first define some simple text labels we can add, and we'll make those 1 in width and height so they are centered in filling the boxes that they live in. And again, the sizes here are relative to their local box. In this case, we've defined that as the Above box and added that, and then we can do a second one defined by the Below box that sections we've added. So we have 2 annotations, both sitting inside individual section boxes. Then when we export this, we'll just overwrite our previous one in this case, and we can go take a look at it and see that now we have a new PDF that's got 2 small rectangular boxes, and we have the words Above and Below populated in the center of those boxes. This method means we get annotations in any structured way we wish. For more information, see PDF3D.com.